guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I am so excited because it is a room makeover. We are gonna completely transform our workout room into a guest bedroom, but we're still gonna include the workout area just kind of in the corner and really turn it into a room for our guests for the holidays. Like, I feel like this is perfect timing if you are having, you know, family from out of town visit for Thanksgiving, Christmas, the holiday season. This is gonna be perfect to give you some inspiration, whether you have a spare bedroom or maybe you have a bedroom and you're thinking, I wanna incorporate a workout area in my room that I already have. This is gonna be perfect. The room is gonna be like dual functional. I don't know if that's the correct term, but it's gonna be a workout room slash guest bedroom all in one. So whether you're interested in creating a guest bedroom or creating a workout space in your room, this video is gonna be for you. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then please just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so when we walk into the workout room, this is what it's currently looking like. I said workout room, but it's actually gonna be turning into a guest bedroom. The holidays are coming up and I really wanted to show you all some inspo if you are turning one of your spare bedrooms into a guest bedroom to entertain family, friends, whoever, because we're gonna be doing the same thing. So the first step is obviously to clear everything out, but I just wanted to show you what the space is looking like. We have our Peloton in here, we have weights in here, and some mirrors on this side. I'm gonna be honest, I'm still really undecided and kind of on the fence of whether or not I want to permanently change this room to a guest bedroom, because I do use this workout room. Like, I'm in here lifting weights, doing Pilates, doing Peloton, some cardio. Rob and I both really use this space, but I know I'm gonna appreciate having a bed in here when friends and family come to visit. So I don't know. I am obviously getting furniture in the mail, so I'm gonna set it up either way. Maybe in an ideal world, I can still have part of the room, like maybe up here in the front for working out. Maybe it can be like a hybrid, because I know I cannot be the only one that uses their spare guest room or spare room as either an office and a bedroom, a workout room and a bedroom, a closet space, maybe a crafting space and a bedroom. So this might have two purposes to it. This room might be dual, I guess, functionality. I don't know. I might have just made that phrase up, but we'll see. But I just wanted to show you the before of the entire space. We have mirrors over here on this side. I have already a rug and a curtain that we're gonna hang up. And we have our weights over here, a faux tree, this artwork that we got from IKEA when we lived in Brooklyn. And I've got mats out here. This storage is technically a bookcase, but I just have like workout things, bins, sneakers, a TV, and yeah, just some like storage over here. And I'm really excited to transition this space, to update it and show you all the makeover. So let's get into it. Okay, you guys, we got the bed. Rob is blow drying the wall. Okay, so I showed you the rug already, but I just wanted to basically do an overview. I hope you can hear me. I just wanted to do, okay, no, it's okay. I just wanted to do an overview of like what we got in the mail so far. Okay, so like I said, we're doing all of this for an Instagram sponsorship from Interior Define. So anyway, we have this bed that they sent us and these two swivel chairs. The chairs are gonna go in the front of the bed, but we obviously still need a mattress. I need to hang up curtains. Really, that's Rob. Rob's gonna hang up the curtains and we'll put together the bedding, get nightstands. Like, we still have a lot to do. And then over here is gonna be the workout section. So my plan is just keeping it 100% real. I'm going to keep these chairs, obviously, because they're gorgeous. When we have actual guests, I will pull them out in front and have it styled and decorated for our guests. But on a regular basis, I'm in here working out. You guys, at least I'm trying to, okay? I'm trying to be a fitness girly and I'm trying to be working out at least like 4 to 5 times a week in here. You see I have like all the equipment laid out. I'm trying to organize it. So on a regular basis, the chairs are gonna be over there, okay? Just keeping it real. I love the chairs, they're gorgeous, but for what I need to use this space for, I'm gonna have my mat rolled out here. I'm gonna have my workout video on the the TV. Like this is gonna be my workout section, so I have to have the chairs over there. But when you see on Instagram the chairs out, that's how it's going to be when we have guests. So I'm still gonna keep the chairs. When we have people in town visiting for the holidays or like whenever it is, we're gonna obviously have the mattress, you know, the nightstand, the curtains, like it's all gonna be pretty for them because I won't be in here working out because they're obviously gonna be in here. I'm not gonna say, hey, good morning, scoot over, move the chairs, I'm gonna work out. It's not gonna be like that. Don't feel bad about, oh, I have to keep the stuff over there. It doesn't look like the most aesthetic. You have to make this space work for you, okay? It's your space. This is our house. This is what we plan on doing. So yeah, anyway, Rob, you can come back in and blow dry the wall again. He basically, if you're wondering, he patched up the holes because remember I showed you that we had this rack, the white rack that's over here. Sorry guys, I know sometimes the camera is a little shaky. I apologize. But anyway, we had this white rack over on this wall. So he's patching up the holes. We're gonna have curtains, like I said. Anyway, I'm rambling at this point. This is what the progress is looking like. I've got my coffee up there. We've got a drill and a salt lamp and we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, you guys, so this is what the workout corner is looking like. I think it looks amazing. I'm so happy with how it turned out. That's honestly all we need for now. We do plan on putting more workout stuff probably in the garage. So honestly, this is just my section. Like I have my bands over there, my workout mats, a couple of weights. The heavy ones down there honestly are Rob's, but either way, for what we use this workout room for, it's fine. Over here, we have more little weights over here. Those are mine. And a TV. So if I'm doing like a workout video, I can put it on the TV, or I have my tripod right there that I can put it on my phone as well. And then I just roll out the mat. And honestly, this is perfect for me. Like this is plenty of room. But obviously, like I said, we're going to be moving these chairs in front to just style the room. We're going to be putting nightstands on either side, and I'm going to share a haul in a little bit. But this is what the room is looking like. It's really turning out nice. I love it. Rob put up the curtains last night and I think they look fantastic. And yeah, I'm just really happy with the progress of this room. So let's move the chairs around a little bit and then get into a haul. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day and we're gonna do a little haul of everything that I purchased for the bed portion of this makeover. So the first thing I got are these pillow inserts. These had so many reviews. Pretty sure it had like a ton of like 5-star reviews, 4-star reviews, like thousands, like tens of thousands of them. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna pick them up and see for myself. You guys, these are so soft. So these inserts are just for like throw pillow covers. So I plan on basically putting these on the bed just as like throw pillows, accent pillows, like really cute, like decorative ones. And I thought these would be perfect because they're so soft. It would go better with a bed and like a bedroom. Sometimes the pillows that I have like on the living room couch, they're a little bit rougher. They're not as comfortable. And it honestly is fine because it's the couch. Yes, we lounge on there, but I don't know. I just felt like for a bedroom, you want something a little bit more plush, soft. So these are the 18-inch pillow inserts. And then I actually ended up getting 2 of them. So I figured I could put them both on the bed and that would look really cute. And then to go on top, we're gonna open this together actually. I got these pillowcase covers. Well, I guess they're just they're pillowcases. They're like pillow covers. Basically, it looks like this. I loved this like woven detail. I thought the gray and dark gray colors were really nice. I thought it would look nice with the bed because the bed itself is more of like a gray tone. So I thought this would look really, really nice and pretty, very modern, very simple. Again, it's a guest bedroom, so I didn't want too much. Like, you gotta think of the mentality when you're coming to visit, you wanna relax, you wanna hang out, you want something a little bit more peaceful. So I just got like calm colors. So I got 2 of these. Small detail that I really, really like, and I find, I don't know, it kind of gives more of like a high-end vibe, is when the zipper is tucked in and it's not exposed. Like, you can't see the zipper from the outside. It's more tucked in. The zipper itself is like one of those really thin ones. I don't know, to me, it's giving quality. When you can kind of see the zipper, it's fine. Like, I have a bunch of pillows, I'm looking at them now. I have them up there that have an exposed zipper. It's not that big of a deal, but when it's hidden, it's like, oh, okay, you took time. You took time to make this look really high-end. Okay, and then the next thing I got is not not all that high end, but it's still really nice. It's from Target. It's a Hearth and Hand linen blend comforter set. So basically, what does this even come with, you guys? Oh, okay, shams. Okay, cool. So it comes with just a comforter. It's this like gray color. Again, just really soft to kind of blend in with the bed. I didn't want anything bold or like contrasting. I just wanted to keep it simple and easy. So yeah, I just thought this color matched the bed perfectly with these throw pillows. I thought would just be really nice and calm. So I got this comforter, and then the shams obviously will go on the bed as well, and that'll be that. So yeah, I think this is just really, really cute. I think it is about that time to start making up this bed. Transparent moment, we do not have a mattress yet. I'm still looking for like which one I want to get / waiting for one to go on sale. So as of right now, for the content that I have to post on Instagram, this is kind of like a behind the scenes. We're gonna be using Briella's mattress for the time being to capture the content, to capture this beautiful room, and then we're putting the mattress back, and it'll be like this until I purchase one for Black Friday to be permanent in this room. That's some behind the scenes, but I'm gonna move on, bring down Briella's bed, her mattress, bring down her mattress, decorate it, take the pictures. It's gonna be so pretty. But yeah, let's move on. Let's make up this bed and give you all a final reveal of our guest bedroom.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want.
Okay guys, I am so excited. The workout room / guest bedroom makeover is officially complete. It is time for the reveal. So if you are just as excited, you want to see how we made over this room into sort of like a dual space, a space that is both a guest bedroom as well as a workout area, then let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah. You know I had to. I know the hallelujah is tired. I know I'm a little congested, but can we take a minute for this room, you guys? I'm obsessed. I absolutely love this space. I love all of like the warm tones, the whites, the creams, the grays, the beige. Like, I just love it so much. Shout out to Interior Define. Definitely go over and check out the reel that I created with them. They hooked me up with the best furniture. These two accent chairs in the front, they're like this barrel swivel chair. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I had to go with white. I just added some throw pillows on either side, and I think they just look incredible in front of the bed. They're big. Like, I didn't realize how big these chairs were. Honestly, we probably could have gone with like a smaller size in front of this bed. It's a little big. I'll be honest, my opinion, I'm like, it's a little big, but I still love them. I think they're gorgeous chairs and the quality is insane. Speaking of the bed, we just have it made with these Target sheets that I showed you. Really, really simple. I just added a throw blanket here and some decorative pillows that I already owned. Bedding itself is way more cool tone than the actual headboard. I think this is perfect. Honestly, I would say this is more of like a neutral gray tone. I think it's just really, really pretty. It looks nice. These nightstands should look very familiar. I mean, that's if you really pay attention and like keep up with the content heavy. I filmed a guest bedroom makeover. I want to say it's been like exactly a year ago, maybe a little bit more. And these are the nightstands that we used in that makeover. Lamps as well. The lamps are a Home Goods find. Again, it just adds more warmth into the space. And we obviously have a candle burning right here. It smells amazing in here. It smells so good. So like I was saying, we just have these curtains. These curtains are the exact same curtains that we have in our sunroom. Ooh, the lighting, hold on. The sunroom as well as the breakfast nook. I just wanted to keep the same curtains and keep some cohesiveness. I think it looks really nice. Moving over to this corner here. This is our workout corner. So like I said before, my thought process is for everyday life, I plan on just putting the chairs over in this corner so that I have this entire space. So it doesn't look like
like that much. Honestly, I probably could do without even moving the chairs at all. Like this is probably enough for me for what I do. Like we're doing some squats, you know, like I have plenty of room for what I do. I have plenty of room. So I just have like a weight rack over here with a bunch of different weights on them, lots of varying sizes. We also have resistance bands, mats, like I said, in this little basket, this stand here with just like a plant on it. I have this artwork here. This is an IKEA find. I still have it. I think I'll always keep it. I love it. It's pretty. It works in here. It's very large, so it fills up this wall, and I just really like it. So I also have this fiddly fig tree in the corner just to add some coziness. You should know by now, again, if you like keep up with the content heavy, that I love adding a faux tree, faux stems in every single room that I decorate. I just think it makes it look so much more cozy at home. You just want to cuddle up here. I mean, let me know who's coming over first. Clearly the room is ready for you. So we just kept these mirrors on the side. I had this, again, remember it was a workout room, so we would look in these mirrors and like lift the weights and be on the bike and looking at the mirror for motivation. But I kept the mirrors up. I think they add a nice touch. It also makes the room look a lot larger. I love that it's like a white border around the mirror. I don't know, it's a vibe. I really like this, but this is basically what it's giving. So then we also have this fan, this black fan. Obviously it is a light as well, so the light can turn on, but you know me, I'm a lighting girl. I'm a dim lighting girl, so it's lamps only around here. And then over here on this side, okay, so this is something that I am probably going to change. I don't love this. It works for that dual functionality of the room. So it has a bunch of workout stuff. I have my sneakers, some weights. These are my weights as well. And then baskets, and I just have like waist trainers, like more resistance bands, ankle weights, like things like that in the baskets, and then a salt lamp. Anyway, this is a final overview of the room. The last individual room tour before the entire house tour will be live on my channel in the new year. I'm gonna wait until all the Christmas decorations are down, and then we can do a furnished house tour, which is amazing, so exciting. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And my new and improved guest bedroom / workout room, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.